I've got some news, folks. Star Health just recently announced their new superstar policy, and let me tell you, it's not just a catchy name. I went through their 48-page booklet, and yeah, all of it. So you don't have to. And I've got some key takeaways for anyone thinking about switching to this plan. So let's dive in. So who exactly should be looking at this superstar policy? Well, if you're someone who wants great coverage without spending too much, this could be a good option. Maybe you're after those extra benefits like OPD visits, diagnostics, dental checkups, or maternity benefits. Yup, this plan's got all of that. Or perhaps you want options for larger sum insured or shorter waiting periods for pre-existing conditions. And if you're looking for a plan that won't bother you with limits on room rents and hospital stays, this one's definitely worth a look. So stick around till the end of the video where I shall reveal how much this plan actually costs. And speaking of sum insured, this plan has options ranging from 5 lakh all the way up to unlimited. That's right, no ceiling, no limits. But of course, the unlimited option comes with a price. More on that in a bit. Now let's talk about who can buy this plan. If you're an adult above 18, then you're eligible. For families, you can include yourself, your spouse, or live-in partner, and kids up to 2 adults and 4 children. So plenty of room for the whole family. One of the coolest features of this superstar policy, you can lock in this plan for up to 5 years. That means if you buy it for 5 years, your premiums won't change like term insurance premiums, even if medical costs skyrocket or inflation goes crazy. Okay, now let's break down some of the core features. Copay? Not applicable. You get the room of your choice covered up to the sum insured. Pre and post hospitalization expenses covered for 90 days before and 180 days after. And if you're into natural treatments, Ayush is covered too. Plus, there's unlimited restoration. Yes, that's right. That means if you max out your coverage and need it again within the same year, bam, it's restored. Now let's talk about waiting periods because, nothing good comes without a little wait. For most conditions, you've got a standard 30-day waiting period, but for some specified conditions and surgeries, it's 2 years. Oh, and speaking of specific illnesses, the list must be on your screen. Take a look. Moving on to PED waiting periods. Well, you're looking at a 3-year wait, but here's where things can get interesting. There's an add-on that can reduce this waiting period. Speaking of add-ons, this superstar comes with not 5, not 10, not 15, but 21 add-ons. Yes, you heard that right. 21 add-ons. Here are some that you might want to look at. Quick Shield. It cuts waiting periods for certain PEDs like diabetes, hypertension, asthma, and more to just 30 days. If you've got any of these conditions, this add-on could be a game changer. Second, Women Care allows pregnant women to buy the policy after submitting their 12 and 20-week scan reports. The newborn is covered from birth until the policy year ends. Peace of mind, right? Limitless Care covers one big hospital claim during the policy's lifetime with no annual sum insured limits. No more worrying about those sky-high rocket bills. Now, let's talk about discounts because who doesn't love a good deal? Here are some that caught my eye. You get up to 15% off based on your CIBIL score. That's right, your CIBIL score. 2.5% discount if you renew 30 days before your premium is due. And my personal favorite, the wellness discount. Up to 20% off on renewal premiums if you hit your step goals. So if you're already hitting that 10,000 steps goal, why not save some money while doing it? Alright, time for the big question. How does Superstar stack up against other plans in terms of premiums? Here's a quick comparison for a 30-year-old individual in a tier 1 city. 9,317 rupees for a superstar policy, HDFC Optima Secure at 16,715 and Aditya Birla Active One Max at 11,942. Clearly, Superstar is making some competitive move here. That's almost half the price of HDFC Ergo. But hey, before you get all excited about the superstar policy, let's be real for a moment. Star Health has had its fair share of hiccups. Sure, the plan looks great on paper, but their claim settlement ratio isn't exactly inspiring confidence at near 83%, while we recommend anywhere above 90%. Some hospitals have even started blacklisting Star Health policies over claim hassles. So before you make a move, make sure you've got an advisor who knows the ins and outs of handling Star Health claim process. Also, there have been a lot of complaints in the past, which is reflected in their complaints volume, which is 46 for every 10,000 claims. To put that into perspective, HDFC's complaints volume is just at 7. In short, if you're looking for a comprehensive plan with plenty of customization options, the Superstar might not be a bad option, but it's not a decision to be taken lightly. Do your homework, ask the right questions, and make sure it aligns with your needs. And folks, as always, if you need help figuring it all out, you know where to find us. That's it for today, folks. Drop a comment if you have any questions about the Superstar or any other plans. And until next time, happy insurance hunting.